how to deposit funds on your Etoro account. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to deposit funds on your Etoro in easy, fast way. First thing we do, we go to Etoro, and this is the home page, as you can see. Now if you want to deposit funds, click here and then go down and choose deposit funds, and now choose your payment method. From here you have four options: credit cards, Skrill, Neteller, bank transfer. Choose your currency from here and the amount that you want to deposit, and your name here and last name, and click deposit, and everything will be done in easy, fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.